Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily turn off your CHiQ 22F650. So you don't just click the multi-switch right here. What you guys need to do is, let me show you. So as you guys can see, the monitor is turned on. Now I'll click it and I'll hold it so I don't let go of it. And as you guys can see, now it's totally disabled. Now I can go over and enable it by just clicking. And as you guys can see, now the CHiQ monitor is turning on. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.